there is a key word that I would like to mention. It is gratitude, gratefulness. Gratefulness for everything that's been bestowed to me throughout my life. Great family, great career. More importantly, these 14 years, which are the best years of my career that I have spent. Compared to the 34 years of corporate life, maybe almost equal to the college life, which is very enjoyable. But this is the one which contributed the most to people who need it the most. So gratitude from multiple dimensions. The wonderful colleagues that I work with, people like Sai, Ramji, Mari, Hari, Sheetal, Chaya, people like Revati, all of them have been wonderful colleagues, and gratefulness towards that. And deep gratitude for the opportunity to have worked closely to make this happen, and the opportunity to have contributed both in terms of the work and in terms of what little I could do in terms of money or financial assistance to bring up what Ramji called as what could be legacy for a future work. And there's a reason why I requested Kumar to get Arvind and Purna and Harikeda to unveil rather than say my wife or I. The reason for that is that you have to pass on the gift of giving to the next generation and the generation thereafter. Not enough to make money, you need to make sure that Rakesh all the time used to mention it in the board meetings that that's the most important thing, and so the gift of giving I want to pass on to my next generation. They are already they have already done it in the sense that a whole lot of the money which went into this facility was contributed by Arvind. And it's a wonderful feeling, the feeling of gratefulness. Thank you.